All right, third grade, we're going to be continuing with our pizza fraction project, and we're going to be creating fractions by shading them in when it's already giving you the fraction to shade in, okay? So we're going to shade in the represented fraction. All right, 4/7. So I would just shade in 4 of my 7 pieces. All right, 5/12, and it doesn't matter if you shade what 5 you shade, okay? That is still 5/12, even though it looks a little different, all right? They're not all in a line. That's still 5/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/2. 1/2. 4/8. Okay, 6/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2/3. 1, 2. 3/5. 1, 2, 3. 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 2/6. 1, 2. 7/11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So really simple. I was just practicing shading in the represented fraction. All right? Gonna go over what you guys are doing today. Again, now you have a slide that says pizza fractions, directions and review, day 2. So if you have not done day 1, I really need you to go back and do day 1. All right? You have your cue to review, your expectations, and then you have this video, these 2 videos. These are little fraction movie. I want you to watch this, and then I want you to watch these directions if you need a refresher over what you're supposed to be doing on your project. And then again, here is your project. This project is due today, so hopefully you have some of this project completed. If not, you've got a lot to get done today, okay? There's a reason why I gave you 2 days, is because I know that this might take some time. Remember, you need 3rds, 4ths, 6ths, and 8ths. You need to include a key. You use these lines to partition your pizza. If you're not understanding, it's really, really important that you're asking your teacher for clarification, and you're trying to get onto office hours.